In this video, we listed the 5 best drone for kids on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. KBDFA V88 Pro. The KBDFA camera drone from mainland China is designed for aerial photography, featuring a camera capable of recording 720p HD video. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a flight time of up to 12 minutes and weighs 155 g, making it lightweight and suitable for casual use. This drone does not include GPS and is controlled via an app, offering basic functionalities such as camera integration and video resolution up to 240p, 320 by 240 pixels. It is equipped with an aerosol spraying system or spread tank volume and is classified under the category of camera drones, with a maximum wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour. Number 2. KBDFA S116 Mini Drone. The KBDFA camera drone is designed for lightweight aerial photography with a maximum takeoff weight of less than 1 kg. It features a 720p HD video recording capability and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency with a flight time of up to 12 minutes per charge. This drone does not include GPS functionality and is controlled via an app controller. It is equipped for basic aerial photography tasks, suitable for beginners or casual users, and originates from mainland China under the brand name KBDFA. With a maximum wind speed resistance of less than 10 km per hour and a video resolution capped at 240p, 320 by 240 pixels, it offers a budget-friendly option for entry-level drone enthusiasts. Number 3. KBDFA New G6. The KBDFA camera drone is a compact, lightweight quadcopter designed for both beginner and intermediate drone enthusiasts. Weighing just 155 g, it features a range of advanced capabilities, including 5G Wi-Fi connectivity for real-time video transmission and a variety of camera options, such as 1080p HD, 4K, 6K, and 8K video recording. The drone includes a 3.7V 3300 mAh LiPo battery that provides a flight time of 15 to 35 minutes and supports a remote control distance of up to 8,000 meters. Key features include GPS positioning, altitude hold mode, waypoint flight, headless mode, and one-touch takeoff, landing, which make it easy to operate. With foldable arms, it is easy to carry and store, while its robust construction ensures durability. The drone also offers multiple flight modes, including orbital movement and follow mode, making it ideal for aerial photography and videography. Additionally, it supports a variety of safety features, such as low power protection and interference immunity using 2.4 GHz technology. Number 4. S116 MAX Drone. The S116 MAX ELF drone offers a range of advanced features ideal for aerial photography enthusiasts and hobbyists. Equipped with an 8K HD camera and 4K video recording, it delivers stunning visuals with a 1280 by 720 resolution. The drone operates on a stable 2.4 GHz frequency, with a 360 degrees omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system for safer flights. It boasts a 15 to 20 minute flight time and a remote control range of up to 150 meters. With a brushless motor and optical flow positioning, the drone ensures smooth navigation and precise control via a 4-channel remote or mobile app. Additional features include a 50x optical zoom, Wi-Fi connectivity, and a 6-axis gyroscope for steady flight. Ideal for ages 14+, it is lightweight, compact, and designed for both novice and experienced pilots. Number 5. Mini V88 Drone. This drone is a lightweight, foldable quadcopter designed for both beginners and professionals. It features a 4K, 8K camera with optical and gimbal image stabilization for smooth aerial photography and video recording. With a 28-minute flight time, 2,200 mAh battery, and 3-axis gimbal, it offers excellent performance. The drone has a built-in display, GPS, and can be controlled via app, remote, or Wi-Fi. It includes features like height fix, one-key takeoff, landing, emergency stop, and headless mode. While not ideal for indoor use initially, it suits open environments and requires careful handling of the battery. Its compact design makes it portable, though it lacks expandable storage.